First order of business is we're going to put a wood vise in so that I can have a stable work area for future projects. I'm going to mark out pilot holes, drill said pilot holes, then bolt the vise in. Workbench. So you can see all these nice tools, but there's no vise, right? Well, so I think placement's about right because it's on a swivel. You undo those two silver screws, then you're able to turn it completely. So when I'm done using it, I can turn it so it's facing this way. So the long part will be running with the bench side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to unscrew the whole vise so that the base will be left, and then I'm going to mark out my 4 holes. And then, as you can see, it separates completely from the bottom. And so I think that looks pretty good, right, nice in the corner. Let's hope that my hand drill can go through that, but if not, I can go get an electric one. I'm gonna use this guy. You'll see. Boy, you know it's fun. One of the dots didn't go through.
So I don't know if this video is going to go on as an inventory, like for my tools, or if this is going to be for the next project. Well, actually, I have an emergency project coming up that's going to be for a YouTuber that'll hopefully help her out. Her name's Tricky Draws. She's a nice artist. I think she's in Pennsylvania. But yeah. It's also like 11:30 right now, so.
And we're almost there.
I don't think they'll fit. Because you want them to fit the bracket most of all. I mean, it's... maybe.
Oh yeah, it just slipped through.
It's not too hot here. You know, we're going to bring out the big gun so that it's quicker, easier, and cleaner. Well, quote-unquote cleaner. Back this way. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a mess over here, I know. Saw drill. Come on, it's somewhere. No, I don't remember where I put it.
Should I just grab this one? You think this is overkill? And walk back. No.
Okay. Dang. This is a whole big boy. Like, you need an actual drill key to change it up. Let's do it, boys. Tactical, right? Put that out of the way. Let's place this down real quick.
We're gonna find this drill together.